Imagine picking fresh, juicy berries without getting scratched by painful thorns. Sounds impossible. Most people avoid growing berries at home for one simple reason: thorns. But what if I told you there are berries that are completely thornless, easy to grow, and produce incredible harvests? In today's video, I'm going to show you 13 sweet thornless berries anyone can grow, even if you're a beginner. Growing berries at home is one of the most rewarding things you can do. But traditional berry plants can be painful to handle, difficult to maintain, and not very beginner-friendly. That's where thornless berries change everything. They are easier to harvest, safer for families, and perfect for small gardens or even containers. In this video, you'll discover 13 amazing thornless berries, along with simple growing tips, their taste, and which ones are best for your space. Some of these berries grow perfectly in pots. Some can survive extremely cold climates, and some can even produce fruit in their very first year. And yes, there's one plant on this list that can produce up to 15 pounds of berries in a single season. Let's get started. First on the list, blue-crop blueberries. These are naturally thornless, and this variety is one of the most popular in the world. It produces large, firm, and sweet berries that are perfect for fresh eating or desserts. To grow them successfully, you need acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. They love full sun and perform extremely well in cold climates. If you want consistent and reliable harvests, this is one of the best choices. Next, the lowbush blueberries. These are smaller plants that grow close to the ground, which makes them perfect for containers or small spaces. The berries are smaller, slightly tart, but packed with flavor. They can survive harsh winters and grow well in full sun. For best results, plant more than one variety to improve pollination and increase yield. Now let's talk about American elderberries. These are incredibly easy to grow and highly adaptable plants. They can be used for jams, syrups, natural dyes, and even traditional remedies. One mature plant can produce up to 12 to 15 pounds of berries per season. They prefer moist, well-drained soil and can spread quickly through roots. But there's one thing to remember: birds absolutely love them, so you might need protection. Next, one of the most popular berries in the world, strawberries. They are naturally thornless and perfect for beginners. One of the best things about strawberries is they produce runners, which means one plant can turn into many plants over time. There are different types: early season, mid-season, and ever-bearing varieties. They grow well in full sun and even partial shade, and growing them at home can save you a lot of money. Next is thornless loganberry. This is a hybrid between raspberry and blackberry. The berries are medium to large, very juicy and sweet. These plants need support like a trellis to grow properly. They should be spaced about 1 to 2 feet apart and usually ripen around June. Once established, they can tolerate heat quite well. Now, thornless boysenberry. This berry is actually a mix of blackberry, raspberry, and loganberry. The fruits are larger and sweeter than blackberries, with a rich, complex flavor. They need well-drained soil and consistent watering. Plant them about 3 to 4 feet apart for healthy growth. If you love sweet and juicy berries, this is a fantastic option. Next, Eden raspberries. These plants produce large, sweet berries and are known for their high productivity, but they do require a bit more care. They grow on second-year canes and need pruning and support. They prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil and need regular watering. If you're willing to maintain them, they will reward you with heavy harvests. Now here's a game-changer, Joan J. raspberries. This is a thornless variety that's incredibly easy to grow. It can produce fruit in the first year itself, which is perfect for beginners. The harvest starts in late August and continues until frost. The berries are great for freezing and transport very well. This is one of the easiest and most productive berries you can grow at home. We've already covered 8 amazing berries, But the next ones are even more interesting. One of them grows perfectly in small pots, and another one is extremely cold-hardy and almost impossible to kill. Let's continue. Next, baby cakes blackberries. This is a dwarf, compact plant perfect for containers and small gardens. It doesn't need a trellis and is very easy to manage. It produces sweet berries in summer and sometimes even a second crop in fall. If you have limited space, this is one of the best choices. Next, Chester blackberries. This is one of the most cold-hardy thornless blackberry varieties. It produces large, sweet berries ready to harvest in July. They're perfect for fresh eating and also great for baking. Once established, they are very reliable producers. Now, red currants. These berries are small, bright, and juicy with a slightly sweet flavor. They have a long harvest period and are perfect for jams and juices. They should be planted about 4 to 6 feet apart and require pruning after a few years. They usually ripen in early July. Next, captivator gooseberries. These are nearly thornless and produce high yields. The fruit has a unique taste similar to sweet grapes. They are self-pollinating and start producing fruit quickly. They also contain high pectin, which makes them perfect for jams. Last but not least, elderberries. This is a hybrid of black currant and gooseberry. It's completely thornless, disease-resistant, and very easy to grow. The flavor is a mix of sweet and tart and works great in many recipes. It's a highly productive plant and can even be propagated from cuttings. So let's quickly summarize. There are 3 main types of thornless berries. First, naturally thornless berries like blueberries, strawberries, and elderberries. Second, hybrid berries like loganberry, boysenberry, and jostaberry. And third, cultivated thornless varieties like blackberries, raspberries, and gooseberries. The biggest advantage of these plants is simple. They are easier to harvest, safer to handle, and perfect for home gardeners. You don't need a big garden to grow these. Many of these plants can grow in pots on balconies or small backyard spaces. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can start with just 1 or 2 plants and expand over time. Now I want to know, which of these berries are you going to grow first? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoy growing your own food and want more simple plant guides like this, make sure to subscribe, because the best food is the one you grow yourself.